You're welcome back to another episode of our Yo-Yo in Ducky Kitchen. So today I'll be making some delicious food rich in fiber, protein, and vitamin B. This is quinoa pudding. Yes, if you love quinoa, or if you like to eat dietary fiber, or if you're watching your weight, you want to maintain your weight, this is the way to go. This is rich in fiber, is rich in protein, and also vitamin B. And if you love to eat moi moi and you hate the beans, I tell you guys, this option is just right for you. So guys, for our delicious quinoa puddings, yes, this is the star ingredients quinoa. If you like fiber, dietary fiber, you're going to definitely enjoy this. And if you're a fan of moi moi, try this recipe, you will not regret it. And for this recipe, we'll be using all these ingredients. We are going to soak our quinoa in for about 30 to 45 minutes. So guys, this is 30 minutes after. We are going to wash off this. Do remember to use a very fine sieve because the grains are so tiny. All right, so wash thoroughly to take off all the sand. This is actually in the family of what we call acha in Nigeria. It's very, very rich in fiber, protein. Very, very recommended if you really love fiber and you're watching your weight or you want to keep your weight intact. This is the way to go. All right, so what we are doing is to cut the bell pepper into chunks, using white onions for this recipe because it's also sweet. Cloves of garlic and a thumb size of ginger. We're going to get the bell pepper into the blender with our ginger and garlic, our onions, everything. Add our quinoa. We're just making 1 cup and you'll be amazed what will come out from the 1 cup. I will give it a thorough blend as well. So I'll be blending with 2 cups of water. The second cup of water. I'm going to be blending on a very high speed. So our quinoa is blended, you can see, looking so good. So I'm going to transfer into a bowl. Yeah, this is the texture I'm looking for. Doing now is to grease my tiny baking pot. So make sure you grease thoroughly. Cut the corned beef into chunks. Yeah. And then get them into our quinoa pudding. I'm gonna add our black pepper, a little salt to taste because the corned beef is really very salty. And also just a little bouillon seasoning. We have chicken bouillon seasoning here. So we're gonna give it a stir. And we're also going to be adding our vegetable oil. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Then you mix thoroughly to combine. All right, so we are going to scoop into our mini baking bowl. And I'm going to repeat the same for the rest of the bowls. So we're going to lay in our mini pans into the pot. Inside the pot, so we are going to allow this to cook for about 20 minutes. And we do thank you for watching our video today. If you like what you're seeing, don't forget to give us some thumbs up and leave us some nice comments. All right, so let's take a peek, and I'm gonna open up this one. Guys, you can see looking so good already. And this one. Alright, so we are going to take it off the heat and allow it to cool down. Alright, we are done with our quinoa pudding. You can see how nice it looks. So if you really a lover of fiber, this is the way to go. You can see this one as well. And this one, let me just get all of them open. Alright, so see the final product of our quinoa pudding, and I tell you it's very delicious. So If you like to eat dietary fiber, if you want to lose weight, or if you're watching your weight, or if you like moi moi but you hate the beans, this is a good option to go for. It's very, very nutritious. We do thank you all. Bye bye.